And no signal turning. No left turn.
In a manly way, because I know someday you will.
Come on. What are you doing? Of course. Oh, third single. I think that should be appreciated, that.
You can cut slices like a bun cake and throw it at an attacker. Just, oh, hot man.
Wow. Did I just see that? Oh, last second exit. What the fuck?
What is that?
It just doesn't exist. I don't know you. You don't even know each other. You're facing the same direction. That's all you have in common.
Whoa!
So I just have to.
Wow.
There was never a time I went, hey.
Whoa! What the fuck is going on up there?
Why don't we take a rodent and put it in my ass?
Did they hit?
I'm missing out.
Looks like it was close.
I'm not making this shit up. People are doing it.
No, you can't do that. No signal, last second exit.
Glamour of Hollywood gets peed on nightly. So,
it turned red
we see Jerry
way
Ward
long
playing.
ago.
I'm like, I love
Fifth reason why Aaron Rodgers is back at his church. A long time ago, he told me recently that when he
No. I think he was paying attention. Wow. You just had to get Wendy's. You gotta be kidding me.
Just you notice that I can't sit still at dinner. Evolving. What's so angry?
No signal. Cause you know.
Sure as heard. Motherfuck you when your punk ass ghetto bird.
Whoa! Volkswagen. What? I'm gonna merge this. I got a hunch. And a last second exit up there. Better speed the hell up. Nah, you can't do that, truck. White line. Yeah, no signal, no lights, no nothing. What? Yeah, BMW across 2 lanes. I still have right away. Same rookie mistake I made, or are you just gonna whoa. Not a smart thing to do.
For the Jaguars came about, and I just find that the NFL being as successful as it is hasn't been more efficiency during the year.
11 for 12. And Sammy Watkins caught 168 of the 181 passing yards. But you know what? Joe said this at the top of the show.
So it's worth sacrificing something of this grave amount because I'm already not wanted here. I'm already not treated like a human.
What are you doing?
A bunch of other students spoke out about this as well, but let me give you some more instances of the racism that allegedly occurred on campus. Peyton Head says, last night I was walking through campus, some guy
old guy on a cell phone. There's no signal in front of that truck up there.
Yo, cause I'm a nigga for life and I really don't give a every time I see a fucking softy, don't strong as coffee.
Crazy.
Like that, best to back up.
He just doesn't want to be on camera. Oh, there he goes. There we go. There he is.
Headache, I can hear his bones break. He's just got his ass whipped with 20 lashes like they do with a Singapore.
I think that we had that was a terrible. I think it was a terrible fine for that money.
But if you look at Headley's year versus Murphy's year, I guarantee you those years, if you look at...
Yeah, I saw that coming from a mile away.
Our family. Then the stewardess comes out and goes, in case of a cabin emergency, a small Louisville slugger will fall from the ceiling. Remember to take it in both. I got a sticking one so automatic.
That Nissan up there. That's turn signal. Those Virginia guy. No. What the fuck? Are you that dumb? And people are just dumb. The car behind me ran right through. What the fuck was that? I'm gonna go that too because I'm in a busy mood right now. Side of the road.
On to the Cross Bronx. The third problem of the morning on the Cross Bronx is still with us right at the Sheridan. A collision, one lane is blocked at that spot. We've got delays inbound Lincoln. At least 60 is right back to the Tariffville.
No signal from that Mazda. It's a fun move. Yeah, too early over the thing.
Never talk to a girl who says she just.
Oh, come on. Last second on the E4 with that much traffic on it. Yeah, right. Yeah, it's the thing with the crane on it. Oh, fuck. Hate the seatbelt sometimes. I wish it'll die! Hey. Jesus Christ. You're like 2 inches from my... Over the white line up there, and another over the white line. No. And you're on your phone too. The fuck? That's like a clear case of not giving a shit. Oh, they're from the school bus? BMW? What the hell's that guy doing? Oh yeah, he was blocking the crosswalk, so he had to kind of get out of the guy's way. I see. People can't squeeze in their own lanes. It's kind of sad, really. Ah, red light runner. Had to be. And that's a turn from a straight lane. Yeah, you cut off a big fucking truck. Was it that hard to figure out? Don't slam on your brakes, come on. What is that? Cross two lanes up there.
Oh, it's awesome. I, oddly enough, happen to have it right here. Yeah.
Dumb. Why do you stop?
Strength to finish his lobster salad.
Oh, what the fuck?
Please show him with your guidance.
She said that green, that white car up there. That's a low-flying helicopter. Probably just came from the hospital over there. Ah, shit.
I better not see any marks or anything.
Why'd you slam on your brakes?
Logical nerve damage to the brain when I go to things that far at other people's expenses.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, how many people are gonna...
So maybe they can sign him. They can re-sign him at any number now, right? Well, the $15.8 million
and
off the table.
upturn at it.
Right, that's a rejected it. So
Red.